Hello everyone! Today, we'll talk about if a freelancer can become a customer in a freelancer marketplace platform using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace plugin. There might be an instance where the freelancer decides to become a customer by submitting his or her own project to be worked on by other freelancers. Is that possible and how? First, we need to make sure the corresponding settings is enabled by going to Settings, Permission, then Project Creation. Here we need to check the box for existing users, so we basically allow existing WordPress users to apply and become customers. Then save. Once done, log into your freelancer account and try submitting a project. If by the plugin settings, the project is automatically approved, you will just be redirected to your new customer dashboard. There you have it! Now you know how a freelancer can become a customer on a WordPress Freelancer marketplace. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!